Wow, and what a beautiful morning for the 1st of March. Blue skies here in abundance, sun shining. And I've come up to do a walk around video. Well, it's actually a reshoot of the stunning Villa Ellie. Now, why a reshoot? Well, because the owners have had this stunning 10x5 pool totally refurbished and it's just been finished. And in addition to that, they've made lots of changes. Well, it's been totally redecorated essentially on the interior. The garden's been tidied up, so now absolutely pristine. A very, very spacious, it's a 3-bed property, but it could have easily been a 4-bed. It said the owners opted for a very good size separate dining room, which we'll see when we're on the interior. Exceptionally high spec, it's full central heating system, and again I'll point out all these things when we get on the inside. Now it's in the Los Garcias hamlet of Arboleas. Very popular hamlet because there's lots of people looking for higher than the 600 metre plot. Well, this is 900, or just under 1,000 actually, and it's in a slightly elevated position, which gives it very, very high levels of privacy. That's the pool pump equipment hidden away in the nice house, and absolutely stunning views you'll see in a second. Garden, you know, not understocked, not overstocked, beautiful fruit trees. You can see a lemon there, there's a fig, but these are all established plants and being put in mind with ease of maintenance. And then on the frontage of the property, you've got this beautiful covered porch, and there's door access off of this into the living room. And then this further set of double doors are at the side of the lounge, come out to the porch on this side, or a nice terraced area. How about that? Just surrounded by beautiful countryside. A little bit more of a close-up of the porch from this side for you. And then I'll go onto the other side just so you can see the stunning views that are enjoyed. Now you've got wrought iron ornamental double gates leading onto a driveway just over there to my right, and that rolls straight up onto a useful covered carport, and that'll give you a better idea of condition of pool. I mean, it's out of the box. So now from the opposite end of the big covered porch, you can see the access gates there with a driveway that leads, as I said, up to the carport, and a pan around and just check out those absolutely beautiful views. Lemons off your own tree. Let's go around and take a look at the back garden area, and we'll do a full walk around for you. It's a tough job, you know, but someone's got to do it. So that's the bay fronted dining room, which has got open arched access into the kitchen, and then to the right of the villa you've got this glorious side garden area with this beautiful kind of rolling hill sitting behind. Now it looks closer to the property than it actually is, but there's a great big purpose-built conduit that runs between the back garden walls and the base of the hill, so you'll never get any kind of debris if there's heavy rain or anything like that coming into the garden. Then this part of the garden sweeps around beautifully onto the back here. That's a dining room from the other side, and you've got door access from here and the kitchen straight out, as you see, into this lovely back garden area. It's been kind of left more or less as is, just some nice conifer screening. So again, if you wanted to add a beautiful terrace out here, no problems at all. It'd look amazing, and that'd be straight off the kind of kitchen area. And the building you see in the distance there is a good sized casita store shed that is situated behind the carport, so not really visible as you come into the property's entrance. So that'll give you a better idea of the size of the casita. And then following on round, and you've got the covered carport. Leading off of the driveway that you can see in front of me. You can see from the video as well, you've got neighbours, but you're just not overlooked at all. So this is a very private garden. Just one more little pan round from this side, and then we'll take a wander and show you the interior. So here we are on the inside. Now I've come in through the front door there, directly off of the porch. And you enter this very, very good sized. I mean, in most villas this would be a lounge and a dining room, but in here it's just a lounge. Arched access off to the left of the front door, which leads into the villa's 3 bedrooms. Got full air conditioning, full central heating. This gorgeous marble surround wood burning fire. And you can see an absolutely lovely tiling scheme that runs throughout. Popping over to the other side, I've got the arch now off to the bedrooms immediately behind me. You can see the double doors that go out from that side of the lounge out onto a lovely kind of open terraced area that in turn runs off of the covered porch. The arched access on the left there leads straight out into a very, very good sized dining room, and they're becoming ever so popular now. You know, the dining rooms are back in fashion, I suppose, and it's lovely. I like to see kind of people sitting down for dinner. It's a nice thing. And as I mentioned when I was on the outside, this has all been freshly painted. Now, we'll do the dining area, I think, first, and then the kitchen. So coming on through this arch, as you can see, an absolutely glorious bay-fronted dining room that overlooks the garden. Door access out as well into the garden. Radiators installed throughout the property. And this flows beautifully off of the living room first of all, and then you can see arched access then out into the very good sized fitted kitchen. Now this is all, it's granite worktops, but these are hardwood units, so owners appreciate they're not the latest trendy colour or anything like that, but it's perfectly easy to get those now resprayed into whatever colour you want, and they don't want to do that because guaranteed they'll pick the wrong choice. But a very, very good sized kitchen, very high quality. You can see that's an electric hob, an electric oven. And then back opens out straight into the dining area. Let's go and check out the bedrooms. So I've come through the arched access there off of the lounge, and you've got this nice lobby kind of hall area that connects to all 3 of the bedrooms. So the first one on the left of the lounge, and this again is another change around. This was a very good sized double, but the owners have opted to turn this into a kind of office and bureau. There's ceiling fan chugging away, you can hear it. And then as you come out of here, immediately to your left, there's the main and very good sized family bathroom. That's the master right at the opposite end in front of us. Take a look at that in a second, but as you can see, very good sized bathroom, full bath, overhead shower. The constructor of this, gave you very generous proportions, so that bathroom's quite a lot more sizable than kind of standard spec villas. Even a radiator to look at here in the hall. And then This was originally the office, but they've turned this back into a lovely double guest bedroom. The bank of fitted wardrobes in here, as you saw in the first one as well. And then on into the master. So I was going to I'll put the camera down a bit low because I don't want to film myself in the dressing table mirror as I come in. So this is the master, very good size room. It's air conditioned throughout as well, which I may not have pointed out. And again, very good size room. I mean, there's big furniture in here, but it doesn't feel small at all. And then door access into the very good sized ensuite bathroom with wonderful vanity unit. Mirror, WC's around there to my right. Like the tiling scheme in here a lot. And then good sized corner shower. And back out into the master. So that's the interior for you guys. So that's Villa Ellie on our website. The full description will be in the link below. We're delighted to get this one back on sale. Absolutely stunning, stunning property. Again, second home, perfect, full time, no problems whatsoever. If you'd like to arrange a visit, then contact us as always, calidahomes@hotmail.com, +34 950 430 763. And if you'd like any further information, just get in touch. Thanks ever so much for watching and hope you've enjoyed. See you soon.